Great. So, hi Amit.
Hi, ma'am.
So, welcome to Coffee with Amit. So, Amit, you've completed, I think, 1 year in analytics. Or so, how was your experience till now?
It was quite good. There was some situation that I thought I won't survive in this company, but I did it. It was really surprising for me because it's a very great company, and based on the while joining this, I got a KT. So I thought the employees working here are really good and having a great knowledge. Based on the KT, I thought I won't survive because I was not having such a great knowledge as the previous employer was having. So
Okay.
it was good experience. The whole management team is also good. Till now, it's good. Let's see further.
So, why did you? Did you face a situation where you had to push yourself, or you were put in some challenge where you felt that you will not be able to do it? Was there any situation like that?
Yes, there was a situation as the experienced person has went. So I was running through the codes. I was not getting where actually the flow of the project is going on. After that, the other team members supported me, and they tell me, "You don't worry, there is nothing. This project is simple," and they encouraged me, and I did good.
Okay, that's good. So sometimes we often feel that this is all a mind game. Sometimes sometimes we get that fear in us that okay, this is not possible, but then ultimately we do it. So I see that you have already achieved that level where you're managing a team now, a team of developers, isn't it?
Yes. Because in my previous company, I was just a developer. I don't need to. I don't need to include it. I was not included in the client's meeting, all such things. But I got an opportunity to interact with the client as well. What are the business ideas going through the clients and what we can propose? It was good for me that I have learned something here that I have learned. Haven't learned in my previous company.
Good. So, what type of projects have you worked on? I see you worked on multiple projects till now. I guess Skill Signal and also some CWC projects.
No, I have till now I have only one project, the Skill Signal.
Skill Signal.
And
Okay.
and LIC also I'm basically the senior persons are just including me in the technical way that we can implement this technology or not. For suggestions, they included me in the LIC project. Still, I have only one project now.
Great. So, how is your experience here? Like with the domain that you're working, did you ever had that sort of experience in your past organization?
Domain basically, I'm working in a Spring framework. So here there are chances that I can work on Spring Boot because I haven't worked on Spring Boot applications. And in future I would be like to work on microservices architecture, some sort of that application. So I'm looking forward to work on them.
Great. So recently we have got this announced work from anywhere for all our employees. So how has that benefited you? Has there been any change in your way of working?
There are some pros and cons also. As basically I'm talking about myself. Previously before the pandemic, there was a situation that a worker has to go to the office and do their job. So workers have to wake up early in the morning and hurry up and go to the office. But due to this work from home, we can get up at any time, and we can work from anywhere and there was one plus point. Basically, what जो हमारा जैसे मुझे एक बेबी हुआ है, तो मैं लकी हूँ कि मैं उसका चाइल्ड से बर्थ से लेके अभी तक का जर्नी में देख पाया उसका। ये मैं लकी था, क्योंकि ऐसा मौका मिलता नहीं है, क्योंकि वर्क फ्रॉम होम है, तो इस वजह से मैं ये सब देख पाया।
That's great. That's excellent. We never get to experience that. How old is your kid?
She's 1 year.
1 year. Okay, great,
Yeah.
great. So, what is the piece of advice that you would give to our newcomers, our new people who are joining us?
Basically, I want to give advice to all the newcomers that whatever company they choose, but they have, for starting career, they have to choose basically the companies which are not MNCs. Okay, basically a huge companies like Amazon, Google, TCS, they are huge companies. So their knowledge is restricted to that domain only. As you start from a medium level, you are included in all the activities, like from networking till programming. Whatever the activities you are doing, you are included in that. But in huge companies, they say that you want to do code, you have to do code only. You don't have to interact with your front end, you don't have to interact with your database, all such things. So for this, I need to say, and one more thing, whoever the employer worker is joining to the company, they should think that this company belongs to them. Because if a person thinks that this is company of mine, if anything loss happens, that means I am also getting lost. Okay, because it includes our knowledge where we lack और such things. So basically हमें अपने जो भी कंपनी में काम करते हैं, हमें सोचना चाहिए वो हमारी कंपनी, हमें अपनी कंपनी को कैसे आगे लेके जाना है। ठीक है, जब वो थिंकिंग आ जाता है तो इंसान खुद भी, क्योंकि कोई भी बिजनेस या कोई भी आदमी नहीं चाहेगा कि उसकी कंपनी लॉस में जाए। ठीक है, मेरी ये एडवाइस है, और बस। Okay.
That's a great piece of advice, Amit. I think the first point that you mentioned is we are very different from the MNC. So a person who joins here gets an end-to-end, end-to-end cycle of a project. He gets to learn. So
Yes.
that is a very classic example why we should, join AFX, right? So
Yeah.
great, and you've given us very good points. Thank you so much for your time. I'm sure you are busy with your project, but thanks for giving your time for us.
Thank you.